Alright guys, for this car wash video we're going to take this Prius, which is my dad's, and we're going to take it through a touchless car wash system in Yucaipa, California. Show you what crap is on it. We've got lots of bird poop and stuff because this car gets driven from like about a good couple, it's quite a few cities out. And so we're going to take it through a touchless car wash system at a 76 gas station. It's a touch-free Ryko system, and it has a Ryko slimline dryer, off-board dryer with it. So, okay guys, we are at the 76 station, and the car wash is running over there somewhere. You can't really see it. There it is, behind that last pump. It's a Ryko US2001 touch-free, which has not been replaced since the station was built.
Thank you for using our automatic car wash. Please enter your 5-digit code, deposit money, or insert your card for a wash.
So yep, it's still the same system as it was before. It's the ultrasonic 2001 car wash that from Ryko.
0, 8, 3, 4.
So yeah. Alright, we're gonna pull in right now.
Thank you. Please go to the wash slowly.
Ooh, this thing.
It's old. I know it's been here. Yeah. It's been here since the gas station was built. And
got some wear and tear on it.
It does. This was made in the 90s. These washes were. We're getting our undercarriage right now. It'll eventually blow. So yeah, I'm not sure how well this thing will do, but it seems to be wearing down very quickly. So yeah, I don't know. It's adjusting itself so it knows how close the car should be. This is my first time actually in quite a few years of this work been this wash. It's probably not very well maintained, knowing how looking at the bay here. I can definitely hear some squeaking. If you hear that, it doesn't sound too good. I am not sure what it's doing. Yeah, let's see if the sensors or something on this is broken.
No, it got like close enough.
Yeah, it's supposed to do that through what they call that's what's called UV technology. And what's cool about this is the last time we went through here, which was quite a few years ago, it decided to what's it called? It decided to shut down because we had a hitch on it.
Definitely no hitch on a Prius.
No, not on a Prius. But it was on the Expedition. It closed down on us. It like stopped because it's supposed to do that in case for system damage reasons. No, it's the first time I've actually seen a Ryko touch-free system that's not too good give us double coating of pre-soak. It's probably because this thing is so old they added it. Hopefully I have enough room in my card for this. And it also does it's the pre-soak soak before it goes onto the thing. And there's also off-board dryers. Which, actually the thing that kind of surprises me is at least the pressure stuff on it's working.
The high pressure.
Yeah, this is not going to be like Matt's does, Express Car Wash does. So those dryers up there, I think those are that's a new model because it wasn't like that before. And you can see some of the dirt that's come off of other cars that's really built up here. Yeah, so this is a bargain wash. That's what I was trying to get to earlier.
Oh, look at Tri-Foam, Jake.
Oh yeah. It's supposed to be a little spotty because that's what I've seen in other people who've been through these types of washes.
This must be pretty thick, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It looks like it is. It's not very. A lot of them don't have tricolor on them. So now we're just doing the rinsing, and it goes through like depending on which wash you get, it'll give you Rain-X and stuff. which I think that's what we're getting right now. No, that's just a rinse, and it doesn't do, only does one high pressure rinse, which I thought was weird. And you'll hear the dryer start up once it comes to the back on the spot free rinse. You could tell what it's doing over there. So right now this is just a rinse. Now we're getting our clear coat protectant. Sorry for just like getting camera controls at 2 good today. So we're getting 2 posts. Alright, get ready to go. That's the dryers. Alright, we're good. Oh, I'm surprised that this thing is actually, those dryers tend to actually, they don't usually move because they're out. I'm not sure how well these are going to do, but yeah. And you see the drying's not too good either. It's usually the part, but they usually put spot-free chemicals on these, so in case it doesn't do too good, Sorry for all the flashing. It's the lights on the outside of this bay. They're not working too well. And the dryer time isn't too generous, but I've seen we got 6 seconds, 5, 4. Looks like we're done. Oh, give us extra time. Yeah. So overall, that was actually a little bit of a better thing than I was expecting, but we'll see once we get back at the house. For now, that's it.